On the Chat tab, you will see all your chat conversations. The message is displayed with the contact's name, the last message received or sent, and the time and date of that message, along with the option to reply to the message. On the reply page, you can call the contact by clicking the phone icon next to them. The gear icon allows you to turn off notifications from this user and delete your conversation. You can also delete your conversation by clicking the delete icon next to the reply icon. To start chatting with someone, click the New Conversation button. Start typing the contact's name or press the down arrow key on your keyboard to list all your contacts, or by finding the person in the contacts window and selecting the message icon next to their name.